This is an unboxing of the Gourmia 7500. I bought it on Amazon. I shot a deer this year and had some meat ground and thought maybe I'd like to try grinding my own and making sausages and things like that. So I thought, well, I'll do an unboxing here so you can see what comes with it. So I bought this on Amazon. It was around $118 Canadian, and so basically, I have no idea what any of that stuff is. I guess I'll find out. These are the blades. Thank you card for buying their product. Comes with some recipes here. Oh, they look pretty good actually. So, I don't know if you can see, comes with a little book called Meat Grinder Recipes. So, for making some sausages. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Quick guide, how to use the machine. I guess that's a little more of a detailed guide. So let's see what we've got here. So I'm hoping this will be enough power to, to grind up. I'm sure it will be. It's 800 watts. It should be enough to grind up the deer that I need, and I'm going to look at that after. I don't know. This is pretty heavy. This is the auger and the cutter. So here's another blade, or another size if you want for the hamburger meat. And there's your cutter. So all this is able to come apart to wash. It's all pretty heavy. So it seems like it's made pretty good. And it comes with some sausage tubes, different thicknesses. So depending, I guess, on what you're doing. I did buy some pepperettes. So I bought some High Mountain seasoning pepperettes, and it comes with the cure, the spice, comes with the casings, the whole bit. So can't wait to try this out on this machine with some of my deer meat. Yeah, pretty heavy. Yeah, so it's not a bad looking little rig. It's got a couple buttons on the top. It's got reverse, on, half speed, and stop and reset. So it's I think it'll do me just fine for the little bit that I'm going to do. I had my deer butchered this year. And I think if I get another one, because I can still get another one as a result of the bow and muzzleloader season here in Nova Scotia, you can get 2 deer, one with general gun and one with the that. So if I do, I'll probably butcher that one myself, now that I have most of the gear that I need. And as well, you know, might even pick up some steaks and try my own hamburger making stuff. But I'm going to start out with some sausages and some pepperettes and see how that goes. So I'll wash all these parts and then get back to you on this. See how it makes out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave any comments or thoughts down below, and I'll put everything in the description. And good luck this year. Let me know how you make out.